Okay, we have to prove that n squared minus 2 minus n minus 2 squared is always even. Okay, to prove that some expression is always even, you need to rearrange it so it looks like this. You've got 2 multiplied by something, okay? So you get some expression and you can pull a factor of 2 out. Such expressions are even because no matter what this is, okay, when you multiply it by 2, it becomes even. So whether this is an even or an odd number, whenever you multiply that by 2, it's definitely even. Okay, so let's get rid of that. How do we do that? Well, the first thing, if you're not sure what to do, as with anything, just fiddle around with the expression. In this case, let's multiply out the brackets and just see what we get, okay? So that becomes, we leave the n squared minus 2 alone. Now, be careful here. We've got a minus there, and then this bracket squared. So it's minus, that's that minus. I'm going to introduce big square brackets, okay? And write this out in full inside the square brackets. So n minus 2 times n minus 2, okay? So that is just that rewritten. And now we can multiply out these 2 brackets. So that becomes n squared minus 2 minus, okay, n times n is n squared, n times minus 2 is minus 2n, minus 2 times n is minus 2n, minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4, okay? And now we can get rid of the big square brackets by multiplying through by, there's an invisible 1 there, minus and then a bracket means it's the same as minus 1 times the whole bracket, okay? So that becomes n squared minus 2, minus 1 times n squared is minus n squared. I didn't combine terms first, did I? I'm not paying attention. Okay, minus 2n is, oh well, I'll be good, I'll write out the whole thing. Okay, so I'll just leave that alone, okay? I'm not going to bother writing the invisible 1 there, but it's still there. Okay, this becomes n squared minus 4n plus 4. Okay, now we're ready to multiply through by minus 1. So it becomes n squared minus 2 minus n squared minus 1 times minus 4n is plus 4n. Minus 1 times plus 4 is minus 4. Good. Right. Oh look, n squared minus n squared. That's handy. The n squareds are gone. That's just the only term in n, so we've got 4n, so that dealt with. Minus 2 minus 4 becomes minus 6. And that's it. We've dealt with, itch. Got it. Okay. We've dealt with all, what the hell? Right. Yes, we've dealt with all the terms, so it becomes 4n minus 6. Great. Now, as I said at the beginning, can we get that in a form with 2 times something? Yes, we can, because we can pull out a factor of 2. 6 is divisible by 2 and 4 is divisible by 2. So that becomes 2 into 2n minus 3. Okay? Good. So we've proven that this, which is that, okay, they're the same thing, will always be even, because whether 2n minus 3 is even or odd, it doesn't matter. We're multiplying it by 2, and any integer that you multiply by 2 is even. There we go. That's how it's done. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the like button, and it would be a massive help if you could subscribe. It would also be amazing if you could support me on Patreon. All the papers and everything are on my website, drjem.com, and I'm also on social media. Thank you.